Did you know that your skin, mood, and even your digestion are a direct reflection of your daily rituals? Studies show that what you do in the first hour of your day sets the tone for your energy and focus and overall glow. So if you've been feeling sluggish, dull, or just off lately, these 5 powerful rituals can transform the way you feel. By the end of this video, you will have 5 simple, powerful rituals that you can start using today to boost your energy, digestion, and overall radiance. And the best part, they're simple, natural, and take just a few minutes a day. Here's how you unlock your inner glow naturally. Ritual number 1 is lemon water in the morning. Before your coffee, hydrate your body with warm lemon water. This simple ritual flushes out toxins, it kickstarts digestion, and it boosts hydration and skin clarity. Ritual number 2 is breath work or stretching first thing in the morning. So instead of scrolling when you wake up, try 5 minutes of breath work or stretching. It activates your lymphatic system, so aka your body's natural detox, reduces morning cortisol spikes, goodbye stress, and boosts circulation for a natural rosy glow. Easy. Ritual number 3 is adding more color to your plate. Your skin, energy, and digestion thrive when you eat colorful whole foods. Try dark leafy greens for clearer skin and minerals, berries for antioxidants and anti-aging glow, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil for hydration from within. Ritual number 4, sunlight and morning walks. Getting morning sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which means that you'll get better sleep, better skin and energy, boosted mood and mental clarity, and natural vitamin D. So that means less inflammation and more glow. Ritual number 5, gratitude journaling. Your thoughts shape your energy and your energy shapes your glow. So a daily ritual practice isn't just good for your mindset, it literally shifts your stress levels, mood, and even hormones. So try to write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning and focus on what your body can do, not what you want to fix. Shift from stress to appreciation, and your body responds to what you tell it. I've been personally doing this for years now, and it truly helped me focus on what I have versus what I don't. Because we can always have more, but we can always have less. And me having the capabilities to even record this video and share it with you, it's something that I'm really grateful for right now. If I had to pick just one ritual that can create the biggest transformation, I think it'd be a mix of my lemon water together with my morning walk. Why? Because how you start your day really affects the entire body, energy, and mindset. And that way I can also get some sunlight. So I can mix 1 and 2 and 3 together. So there you have it, 5 simple but powerful rituals that unlock your natural glow. Lemon water first thing in the morning breath work or stretching, more colorful, nutrient-rich foods, sun and movement for energy, and gratitude journaling to shift your mindset and focus on abundance. And the key is really consistency. You don't need a full life overall. Just start with one of these today and then gradually build on the others. So I'm curious, which ritual are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And I know that sometimes it's, oh, I know all of this, right? But are we actually doing all of this? There's that gap often between knowing and doing. So I hope that by hearing this video, you will get inspired to action, actually do it, not just know it. And I have some tools to help you. So you can start with my free 7-day habit challenge. It's a perfect way to build lasting habits without overwhelm. And it comes with a free Notion habit tracker template. So check out the link in the description below to get that. And if you want even more powerful rituals and deeper detox support and full glow up plan, join my 14-day gut cleanse. Inside, we go beyond just food and we focus on gut health, energy shifts, and habits that actually stick. So check out the link in the description as well. And if you're all about holistic health, simple habits, and real transformations, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. I'll see you in the next one.